Africa. A land of mysteries, ancient civilizations, and mind-blowing secrets. But did you know that there's an entire desert that's larger than the US? Or that Africa has a hidden city submerged underwater? Stick around, because these shocking facts will completely change the way you see Africa. Fact 1. Africa has the most diverse languages in the world. With over 2,000 languages spoken across the continent, Africa is the most linguistically diverse place on Earth. Some African languages, like the click languages of the San people, have sounds that don't exist anywhere else. Fact 2. The Sahara Desert is expanding rapidly. The Sahara Desert isn't just the world's largest hot desert, it's growing at an alarming rate. Every year, it expands by about 48 kilometers, 30 miles, southward, swallowing up fertile lands and displacing entire communities. If this continues, what will Africa look like in the next 100 years? Fact 3. Africa had the world's richest man in history. Think Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk are the richest men ever? Think again. Mansa Musa, the emperor of Mali in the 14th century, was so wealthy that his generosity destabilized economies. On his pilgrimage to Mecca, he handed out so much gold that the value of gold dropped for years in Egypt. Fact 4. There's an underground lake larger than the UK. Deep beneath the sands of the Sahara lies a secret, an enormous underground lake called the Nubian Sandstone Aquifer. It holds 150,000 cubic kilometers of water, enough to sustain the continent for centuries. But why is it still mostly untapped? Fact 5. The Great Pyramid of Giza can make electricity. The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just an architectural wonder. It might have once been a power generator. Scientists have found that it can concentrate electromagnetic energy, which means the ancient Egyptians might have known something we don't. Fact 6. Africa has the deadliest lake in the world. Lake Nyos in Cameroon looks peaceful, but beneath it lies a deadly secret. In 1986, the lake suddenly exploded, releasing a cloud of carbon dioxide that suffocated over 1,700 people in minutes. Could this silent killer strike again? Fact 7. Africa had advanced mathematics over 20,000 years ago. Long before modern civilization, Africa was already mastering mathematics. The Ashango bone, discovered in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, is over 20,000 years old and is considered the earliest mathematical tool in history. It contains engraved markings that resemble multiplication, division, and even prime numbers. Fact 8. The Congo River boils in some parts. Imagine stepping into a river and realizing it's boiling. That's exactly what happens in parts of the Congo River. Scientists are still trying to understand why some sections reach temperatures hot enough to cook food. Fact 9. Africa once had penguins. Believe it or not, Africa was once home to penguins. Fossil evidence shows that at least 4 species of penguins lived along Africa's coasts. Today, only the endangered African penguin remains. Fact 10. Africa has the world's oldest university. Forget Oxford or Harvard. The world's first ever university was in Africa. The University of Al-Qarawiyyin in Morocco was founded in 859 AD, making it the oldest continuously operating university in the world. Africa is full of untold stories, hidden wonders, and jaw-dropping facts. Which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.